Today has been a very long and life-changing day for us. Literally, our life have just changed 180 degrees. First and foremost, I got to thank God for everything that He has done in my life and in my family's life, for giving me such an amazing man.
I, Tan Jun Ming, take you, Evangeline I, as my lawful wedded wife, to provide you with the very best, to protect you from all the mosquitoes out there, with my Nerf guns and Lego men that I have.
No one have ever loved me the way you do, except my dad, of course. How you are able to deal with me annoying you on a daily basis, but yet how you can calm my nerve when I overreact over the littlest thing.
Make you happy by buying you shoes once in a while. Because Cinderella is living proof that a new pair of shoes will always change one's life.
I promise to laugh at your jokes even if they are not funny.
We respect and understand one another's differences.
I will trust you and respect you, loving you faithfully through the good times and the bad, regardless of any obstacles that we may face together. Clarence, I'll be there for you, to walk with you,
To provide for you,
to encourage you,
to guide you, to protect you
and to serve you.
all the days of my life. I will never leave you,
I'll never leave you,
nor forsake you.
nor forsake you. With this ring,
Evangeline,
Clarence, I marry you.
Wow, isn't that lovely? I'm pleased to announce to everyone, Clarence and Evangeline, you are now man and wife. Clarence, you may kiss the bride. And I think it's too short a kiss. The cameraman, the photographer couldn't get it. Can you kiss a little bit longer? Just a little longer. Yes, very good. Got it.
This is the life I make. I don't need a holiday to make me feel this way.
Presenting to you for the very first time, Mr. and Mrs. Tan. Today is also a very special day that they want to celebrate together with their mothers.
Mummies, happy birthday. May God bless all of you abundantly, and may God bless us with many children for you guys to love.
今晚不只是我们的大日子，今晚也是我岳母的生日。下星期是我母亲的生日，在这里我祝他们生日快乐，福如东海，寿比南山。妈咪，我们爱你们。
Join us in the happy birthday song. Here we go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to both of you. Happy birthday to you.
Whoa! Happy birthday, mummies! Big round of applause, Clarence and Evangeline. Let's give it up for the strong bride, shall we? Oh, I think let the men do the job lah, huh? You're done already. Don't point at me, okay? Here we go. Champagne popping. I think you're gonna break Guinness record. Oh, let's give it up for them. 掌声鼓励好不好？那当然呢，随着他们这样倒着香槟呢，也是要像他们的爱情像香槟这样子细水长流，长长久久，晶莹剔透。
And of course, how can I forget my dearest presents, my pet presents? They come in a package. My daddy and mommy I love you and thank you very much for giving me all that I have all these years and teaching me all that I know. Though I may not be living with you in the same house anymore, I'll always and always be your baby girl. And not forgetting to my dearest sister, you're the best.
Anyone got tissue can borrow some? Now let me wipe my tears. I see her cry.
To my sister, you're smart, you're beautiful, you're capable, and the list goes on. You will forever be my kate, and I'll forever be your annoying little sister. To my new parents, Dad and Mom, thank you for bringing up such a righteous man. Thank you for bringing up such a humble and kind-hearted man. 我答应我会跟你们一起照顾他。Also， 谢谢你们。现在我跟你们住在一起，你们要照顾我也是。我 promise 我会爱他一生一世。To my late grandfather who wanted to be here. 公公 although you're unable to be with us today, I know you're still celebrating with us up in heaven. Thank you.
Thank you. Let's give her a big round of applause, shall we, ladies and gentlemen? It's a very touching moment.
Last part is a little bit touching because
Yes.
Gong Gong is the only Gong Gong I have.
Okay.
And of course to you, my husband, my new husband, thank you for loving me and accepting my nonsense and me as who I am. I promise to annoy you every day because I know you secretly like it.
I promise to always be your happy wife, so we'll have a happy life.
Let's work hard to build a new home for our little ones.